Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of the day is 这. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. Now, let's read together. 这, 这. Very good. Now, let's write together. 我们一起写。点横撇点点 And next one is very important. Look at me. 横折撇那这 means this. We can say, what is this? 这是什么? So if you want to say 这 with a noun, we need to add a measure word like 这 plus a measure word plus a noun. For example, this apple. 这个苹果. This person. 这个人. This book. 这本书. So pay attention, the measure word is very important. Look, what in my hand? Can you tell me, what is this? 这是什么? Comment below and tell me. 在下方评论区告诉我哟。Okay, see you next time. Bye bye!